Hi! These days, a lot of restaurants have realized they need to simplify their operations. And the biggest challenge here is doing more with less. For example, less ingredients being stocked or less items on the menu. So it's more important than ever to purchase smartly, and by taking high-quality shortcuts, you save a lot of time. One way is using convenient spice mixes to ensure great flavor every time in no time. I will show you how. Here I have a piece of cod that I will marinate in some tandoori spices. I will then bread it, cook it, and serve it with some salad, some naan bread, and some raita. So in this case, I want true Indian flavors. To get there, I can use the set of 12 individual Santa Maria spices, but then I have to make sure I have them on hand and spend time finding the right balance. Another way is using the tandoori spice mix, which contains the very same spices, but they are already put together for a perfectly balanced blend. So all I need to do is grab it, use it, taste it, a little bit more, done. So the Santa Maria spice mixes is a really quick and simple way to get nice flavors. They are easy to handle and they ensure great taste every time. Many of these spice mixes offer complete flavor profiles for specific dishes, which makes it easy to cook something new, explore new cuisines, and vary your menu. This one is my personal favorite. It really gives authentic taste in 15 minutes without having to spend extra time finding exotic ingredients.